Why are Nike shoes so expensive? It's a question many people ponder when they see the price tag on a pair of Nike shoes. A single pair can range from $100 to $300, and sometimes even more if it's a limited edition model. But what exactly justifies this price? Is it simply because of the brand, or is there more to it? Nike isn't just a brand, it's a symbol of innovation and advanced technology in the sportswear industry. Every year, Nike produces over 120 million pairs of shoes in factories around the world. To create each pair, Nike invests millions of dollars in research and development, particularly in proprietary technologies like Air and Flyknit, which enhance both performance and durability. Additionally, over 50% of the materials used in Nike shoe production are sourced from recycled materials, which helps minimize environmental impact. Today we're going to explore every step in the Nike shoe production process, from the initial design concept to the final product on store shelves. By diving into each stage, you'll understand why each Nike shoe carries its value. If you're intrigued, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to catch more exploration videos from Captain Discovery. Let's begin this journey. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. Nike's story is an inspiring one. Starting in 1964 when Phil Knight, a track athlete and MBA student at Stanford, teamed up with his coach Bill Bowerman to create a company called Blue Ribbon Sports. Initially, their goal was modest: to import running shoes from Japan to compete with expensive German sports brands like Adidas and Puma. Blue Ribbon Sports quickly grew and started producing its own shoes. A pivotal moment came in 1971 when Bowerman experimented with a new sole design using a waffle iron, which created a sole that was both lightweight and had excellent grip, making the shoes ideal for athletes. To this day, many of Nike's lines retain the iconic waffle sole design. Also in 1971, they decided to change the company name from Blue Ribbon Sports to Nike, inspired by the Greek goddess of victory, symbolizing determination and a conquering spirit. This was also when the iconic swoosh logo was created by Carolyn Davidson, a design student, for just $35. Little did anyone know the swoosh became one of the world's most recognizable symbols. The 1980s marked a breakthrough when Nike partnered with star basketball player Michael Jordan to launch the Air Jordan line. This collaboration elevated Nike to new heights, transforming it from a sports brand to a cultural icon. Air Jordan became more than just athletic footwear. It was a fashion statement and a source of pride for its owners. To this day, Air Jordan remains one of Nike's best-selling lines, with millions of pairs sold each year. Nike continues to assert its dominance with advanced technologies like Air, Flyknit, and React Foam, providing athletes with the best possible experience. Flyknit, in particular, is a one-piece woven technology made from recycled fibers that not only makes the shoe lighter, but also reduces waste during production. Flyknit has reportedly helped Nike cut waste by up to 60% compared to traditional manufacturing methods. Today, Nike is not just the largest sportswear brand in the world. Discovery Challenge. Before we start, Captain Discovery wants to hear about your experiences with Nike shoes you own. Question: do you own a pair of Nike shoes that you feel is worth the price? It could be a comfortable pair of Air Max 270s, a classic Air Jordan 1, or ultralight Nike React. Feel free to share. Shoe name, price you paid, what you love or don't love about them. Share your thoughts in the comments. Captain Discovery would love to read the feedback from true Nike lovers. Now, follow me inside the factory as we see how Nike turns ideas into real products. Everything begins at the design table. This is where Nike's designers brainstorm creative ideas for new shoe lines. Known for incorporating cutting-edge technology into its designs, Nike has developed iconic lines like Air Max, Air Force One, and Flyknit. During this phase, designers use 3D software to create models and outline each shoe's details. From shape and cushioning to surface design, the 3D models allow designers to adjust every small feature with precision, avoiding the need to create physical prototypes. Elements like the shoe's sole curvature, flexibility, and stitching are meticulously calculated to ensure that when the shoes are produced, they're not only stylish but also durable and comfortable. Once the design is finalized, the next step is selecting materials. Nike prioritizes high-quality, sustainable materials. Some Nike shoe lines like Flyknit use recycled fibers to help reduce plastic waste. Nike employs a variety of materials including mesh, synthetic leather, rubber, and EVA foam for elasticity. All materials undergo rigorous tests for durability, stretchability, and breathability. Next is the cutting and shaping phase. Robotic arms lift each piece of material onto cutting tables and make exact cuts, reducing production time and ensuring uniformity in size and shape. A single production line can process thousands of shoe pieces per hour, raising efficiency and quality to a new level. Now we come to sole making, arguably the most important part of a Nike shoe. Known for its air technology, Nike uses compressed air pockets in the soles to provide cushioning and better shock absorption with every step. To create air soles, Nike uses thermal molding and pneumatic technology to form tiny air pockets within the sole. Each air pocket undergoes durability testing to ensure they won't collapse or leak over time. This feature is why so many people love Nike shoes. They offer a comfortable feel, especially for running or training. Once finished, the soles are sent to the assembly line, ready to be attached to the shoe's upper. After assembly, each shoe moves to the finishing stage. This is where Nike logos, decorative details, and brand labels are added. Workers use industrial sewing machines to embroider the Nike logo and add finishing touches to the shoes. Each shoe undergoes strict quality checks before leaving the factory. Every stitch, every logo application must be flawless. Additionally, shoes are put through durability tests involving bending and twisting to ensure they can withstand real-world use. Nike has specific durability standards, with shoes tested for load-bearing and traction before being packaged. Once quality checks are complete, each shoe is packaged in Nike's signature boxes. Shoes are placed in protected packaging to prevent scuffing during transport. The boxes are stacked on pallets and moved to the shipping area. Every day, hundreds of thousands of Nike shoes leave factories and are shipped worldwide. From standard models to limited editions, all are swiftly and efficiently transported to customers, thanks to Nike's massive global supply chain. One remarkable aspect of Nike is its commitment to sustainability. Through Flyknit technology, Nike significantly reduces waste during production. Flyknit has helped Nike cut waste by 60% compared to traditional manufacturing methods. Nike also has programs to recycle old shoes into new soles. They are committed to producing for performance while protecting the environment, creating products that are not only high quality, but also eco-friendly. This is one reason Nike is not just a brand, but a symbol of innovation in fashion and sports. That wraps up our full exploration of the Nike shoe production process, from initial design on a screen to the final product on the shelves. Each Nike shoe goes through a meticulous production process, from cutting and stitching to assembly and quality control. Thanks to modern technology and skilled craftsmanship, Nike creates shoes that are not only stylish, but also durable and comfortable. I hope you enjoyed this journey with Captain Discovery. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue bringing you more fascinating videos. See you next time! Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.